Now if we have this data, name, gender, height, we want to represent it into SPSS. We want to enter this data into SPSS. What we can do, we'll start with first entering the variables. What are our variables? We have three variables: name, gender, and height. Just note that gender is represented using the numbers. Here value 1 represents male and value 2 represents female. So if you want to enter, first we'll enter the name variable, then gender, then height. Entering name variable, first of all will come to variable view. First variable name will be name. The type will be string, because we are entering name, we'll need characters. Width, how many maximum characters? For example, we put like 20 characters for width. We don't need decimal. You can enter label, like enter the name. Values we don't need, and we don't need other columns right now. The second one was gender. Gender was, the type of gender will be numeric. Why? Because if you see here, we are entering either 1 or 2. So width will require only one character. We don't require any decimal places. So what we'll do, decimal it will be 0 and will require only one width. Enter the gender. Now here in value labels, what we'll enter, will see 1 represents male, 2 represents female. So what we'll do, we'll enter 1 if this represents male, and we'll see 2, 2 represents female. So these are value labels. We're converting our gender to category. We don't need others right now. Third one is basically height. Height is also numeric. And how many decimals we need? We need only one decimal. Why? If you see 5.4, 5.3, 5.6, 5.7, we need only one decimal character. And how many characters here? We'll need like 3 characters or 2 characters will be enough. Enter the height. We don't need any other. So this will be the variable view of our data. Now coming to data view, we'll enter this data, like first one is this one, the gender is female, height is 5.4. Similarly, we enter all the data. Once we have entered all the data, if you want to save this file, you will come to file, save, or you can click here. If you see this floppy disk, you can click save. Save the document. You can give name, like I am giving here lecture 1. So you see, this is now our output where we talk about any commands which we run, it will give the output here. Now, next one is, if we want to check the frequency. What is basically frequency? Frequency basically represents the number of occurrences. For example, if you want to see how many male data, how many female data, what we can do, we can go to analyze, we can go to descriptive stats, we can go to frequencies. What this will show us, this will show us the tally. Which variable we want? We want gender variable. Click here, click OK. Now if we go to output where you can see here it is showing frequency 4 and male are also, female are 4, males are 4. So percentage both shared 50%. Now if we want a bar chart here with this frequency, what we'll do, we'll do same step, analyze, descriptive stats, frequencies, and in frequencies what we'll do, we'll add here charts. Which chart we want? We want a bar chart with it. Continue and press OK. Now if you come back to here, you'll see a bar chart created with this one. This is frequency. Another thing is, like if we want to sort the data here you see the data is not sorted. If we want to sort the data, what we'll do, we'll come to data, we'll come to sort cases, we'll select the variable which we want. Ascending means from A to Z, or smaller to highest, or descending means largest to smallest. We put it ascending, press OK. You see it is sorted with the help of spellings, in the order of spellings. So after sort, if we want to transform data, we want to create a new variable. Like what we want is we want to create a we want to take log of this height. How we can take the log of this height? What we'll do is we'll come to transform compute variable. We'll put new variable is log height. Do remember, this is the variable name. We cannot we'll have to follow the rules of the variables here. What do we want? We want log function. So what we'll do, we'll write here log function. We'll take the log function. Here if you see in the SPSS we have different operations. I want the arithmetic function, and in arithmetic function I want log function. Here it is given you that you will use ln, and what you will mention the variable name. So variable name is height. I click in the height, I press this arrow, it will push it here, press it here, and OK. So what it does is it makes a new variable log of height automatically. After, you can save the file directly by clicking this save button. Now if you want to calculate mean, median, mode of the height, what we can do, we can go to analyze, descriptive stats, frequencies. We'll use same variable gender. We'll put stats. What do you want? We want mean, median, mode. We'll click all these three, continue, press OK. If you come to frequency now here, what you will see is mean, median, mode will be shown here. Just a correction, you will come to analyze, descriptive stats, frequencies. Here we select the correct variable, will select height. We want the height. Click height, stats, you select mean, median, mode, press continue, OK. Come to output viewer. Here in output viewer, if you see, we have mean, median, mode of the details, mode details.